This next song is a classic Shabbat melody set to the tune of Sloop John B. Do people know that song? Awesome, so you'll recognize the tune. This is called Dror Yikra, and it's a classic Shabbat melody that is usually sung on Saturday when you're sitting around eating. And hold on. The lyrics, it's usually set to an uplifting tune because the lyrics are uplifting. The first verse translates to, God will proclaim freedom to all, and he'll keep you as the apple of his eye. Pleasant are your eternal songs, rest and relax on Shabbat, or the Sabbath. Dror Yikra.
And BC.
Dror Yikra, levenim bat, ve'im tzorchem kemo vavat, im shimchem ve'lo yushpat, shevunuchu beyom Shabbat. Terosh navi ve'ulami, ve'od yeshar se'ibi, v'tasorech v'tokani, she'eh Shabbat b'nei ami, Elohim ten, b'midbar har, hadashita b'rosh shivhar, lenafshecha, ve'im letem roshecha, Dror Shabbat kedoshecha, Dror Yikra, levenim bat, ve'im tzorchem kemo vavat, im shimchem ve'lo yushpat, shevunuchu beyom Shabbat, shevunuchu beyom Shabbat, shevunuchu